Hey guys, so for this exercise, we are going to be doing the sums of January sales and the sums of electronic accessories. Now, what I first want to do is clear all of the grand totals for these months because we don't need that. So we're going to do Control Shift down, Control Shift right arrow to select everything. And then I'm going to press on this cell using my using my mouse key, the right one, and then I'm gonna press clear contents, and that clears all the contents that I've selected. Now, to get the January sales, the sum of the January sales, I'm gonna use my keypad, and I'm gonna do Enter Sum, and I could select this using my mouse, or I could just press Tab. So that selects it. Now so there's two ways to do this. You can either select all of this, or the easier way, you can just type out January, and oh, there we go, January sales. I can press on that, or I could just press Tab, and then I press Enter, and there you go, there's my total. Now I'm going to do the same thing for electronic accessories. So again, Enter. Always, if you're gonna put in a formula to something, if you want Excel to do 1 plus 1, you have to do equals. Always do equals when you want a formula. So equals sum, because you want the sum. And then I'm going to do tab, and then the parentheses comes up. So once the parentheses comes up, I'm going to do electronic sales, tab again, enter. There we go. That's the sum for the electronic accessories, and this is the sum of January sales. See ya.